Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever we made a video. So again this video I'm going to take you another single candlesticks reversal pattern. So where we are going to use in the charting and find out how it is working for our intraday or even a positional trade. So again we are going to use the same for a option trading also that I'm going to uh, show you right now. And because of you are giving you more support and more engagement with the YouTube and giving you such a great support. Thanks for my subscribers. We are reaching more than 2500 subscribers. So now I was happy. So again I'm going to discuss here another 8 powerful trading strategy. Let's move on to the video right now. So if you are new, make subscribe. Okay, so the candlesticks which I am going to take, that is what shooting star candlesticks. So what is shooting star candlesticks? So let's, if you check, whenever it forms at a highest level, there will be a reversal in the market. So if you check that the long rejection, the long price rejection at the day or swing high level, so that may confirms the trend may be possibilities to change over from the previous trend. So that is what I'm going to take a shooting star candle. So using that scanner in a charting, so that may give you such a great result. Let's move to the chart right now. Okay, so if you check that, this is the shooting star candlesticks having a big wick compared to the body of the candle. If it is forms at the day high or even a swing high, so there is a possibilities of trend reversal is very high. So based on that logic, we are going to create a scan. So this kind of candlesticks, whenever it forms, we have a great opportunity to take a intraday as well as positional trade that I'm going to discuss in this video. I hope you may be like. So watch the video full so get a clear idea about my trade style. Let's go for a dashboard, and I have already created the code. So let's show you that the shooting star on daily basis. Okay, so here I just created a scan for a shooting star forms a daily basis. Okay, so and it forms at the highest of the month, the highest price. So because we are expecting a reversal kind of trade whenever it may happen at highest level, so we have more probability to make profit on the reversal kind of trade, right? Okay, so what is the previous result? So for example, so from this month, the August, any stocks were filtered out. This is one. 4th of August. Before that, we have the stock 2nd August, and 2nd August is the first where we got idea. So we don't have any idea to trade idea because it is very cheap value stocks. Okay, so then go for next day on 4th of August. We got somewhere around 5 stocks that gives you the shooting star kind of candlesticks pattern at the highest level of the or near about the monthly high. So let's go for a one by one. The first one, AST RAL. So let's see where we got a candlesticks formation at 4/8/2021. So that is the this month of 4th. That is around 10-12 days back. Okay, so here the candlesticks. So exactly it is looking like a shooting star at the day high or the swing high. So where that August month contract is started and market is started moving up. So when this type of candlesticks forms at the highest level, there is a chances of reversal is very high. And again there is a doji candle, but it is not below the monthly low, so it may not scanned by our scanner on doji. So here when you check that the risk of the trade is little bit higher because the price is rejected on the highest level, so always the wick is high. So if you check that the closing price is 2230 and the high price is 2294. So we got the stop loss around 60 rupees for the trade. Whenever, how we can do the trade? So once the low is broken on the candle, right? So when the low is broken on the candle, we can keep the stop loss for the trade. So that is what where we are focusing. Let's go to make a short position at this point. And if you check that, the risk for the trade is almost 68 rupees. And if you make 1:2 also, that is working very well, right? So now market moves towards how much percentage you are taking the risk for the trade is somewhere around 3%. Now the stock is reaching more than 12% from that particular point of the high. So there is a good kind of candlesticks pattern where it is forms at the day high. So there is a reversal is very much possible. And if you check that the where around the day on 4th. So if you are going to take 5th of the day when the market breaks the low, so that is around 2200. If I buy a put option, so it may be huge, right? So let's check what is the price of that put option on that 2200 on the day of 5th August, where it given you breakout. So let's go for a 5th August. Instead of that, we will make that the candle, we will mark the candle, so we will easily find out where it broken. Okay, and 15-minute chart, we'll go for a 15-minute chart. So here on 5th August, where it happened, so this is what a 5th August opening itself, it triggers and it moves down. Opening itself, it gives you buy opportunity, that is a sale opportunity. So the buy opportunity which present in the put option, so let's go to take a put option of 2200, right? ST 2200 put option on 5th August. Let's go to check it out. Was not trading well, and 15 minutes. I think this is not trading well. 5th August, the price is 100 somewhere. So volume is not in that good. Option volume is not good, so we may ignore. But even though if you are checking 100 rupees, it comes down towards 63, but after that it made to 250 rupees. I think this has not a good volume in options. The second one is Concur. That is also we are saying you many times the Concur which forms a day high. We already marked that. So here whenever it breaks below 690, so we may go for a short. From there it fall down towards 650 level, I think. Yeah, 650 it made a low. So again such a great profit. So well, we can go for a 690 put option. 90 put option. So that price was triggered on around 3 o'clock of 6th August. Okay, let's go for a 690 put option. 6th of August, and the closing hours it may be 4, 5, 6. So on 6th of August the price is 18 and it moves towards to 42 rupees. Again, as such a great profit where the Container Corporation, so that gives you on daily time frame, right? So whenever the candlesticks, so that always give you such a great information, so whether the market is going to reverse or not. And Motherson Sumi, Berger Paint on the same day. Mother Sumi, the Berger Paint. So where it happened, this is what a daily chart. And I think this, the 4th of August, it made a 242, 7 rupees risk from 235. Now market is trading near about 220. So almost we got a 15 points with the 7 rupees risk. Motherson Sumi. And next one is Berger Paint and Streesem. Streesem, so we cannot go for that. Berger Paint again on 4th of August, which breaks the low of 837. It comes towards the low 800 and 799. So again, such a great movement where using the shooting or candlesticks that always give you such a great return on intraday basis. Let's move. Let's check CSM. I think this was not trading with a good volume, and but that is also working great. Let's see from there. And now It is moving down. The risk for the trade is 29,000, 30,000 rupees. From that, it comes to 26,000, almost 4,000 point, which is drops within a 10 12 days. So consecutive drop from the top. Previously, it moves towards the top, but the top area where the price is rejected and market is started following. The trend changes at this point of time. So we can easily find out. It will give you such a great trade ideas. Okay, so and what are the other stocks which forms? After that we got around 9th August LTS, Eicher Motor, ITC. Okay, LTES again, which is happening on wait ETS on 9/8. Okay, so 9/8, this is the wire, this is the price, I think. Sorry, this one. So it does not looks like a great reversal candle, so we may ignore. But even though if it was breaks below the low 3658, it made a low sudden 3500, and still it is trading near about our entry price, because this does not look like a shooting star, so maybe scant. And ITC, let's try ITC. Yes, on 9th August, where it has broken the low of 212 and it moves towards to 207 with the risk of 212, and 5 rupees is the risk for the trade. When that candlesticks where it is forms at the day high or a day low, so there is a more power. Eicher Motor. So again, this one 9th August, where it is forming like great candle. So where it is broken around 2715, now it is 2495. Again, is such a great profit, right? And recent trades, this one 10th August, IndusInd Bank. Let's check for Indus Bank. Hope this one 10th August. So initially it breaks and moves higher, and now it's moving toward the price of from where we have opportunity. So 25 point is the risk from 1031 and 1055. Now it is trading 1020. So almost profit from some 10 points only, but there is a chances the reversal. The previous market is moving higher and it forms a candlesticks like shooting star, and market is started falling down. Right, so having some good chances to make money. And then 13th August LTI, let's go for a LTI. So great again. So this one is 4857 is the low where it is having the opportunity today, and it made a 4754 from the low of 48, almost 100 point. Today it generative LTI on daily candle. Right, what are the stock which is screened by today? On 16th August, there will be two stocks. One is Mphasis and Mindtree. Let's go for a Mindtree and Mphasis. Mindtree, yes, looking great candlesticks pattern, and previous trend is moving up. There will be a possibilities reversal. So the trend is clearly going up. Sorry, the trend is clearly going up, and there is a candlesticks where it is forms at the day high or a monthly high. So if it is breaks below, so we can expect a downside. That is the stocks were filtered by today. And the second one is Mphasis, right? Looking like great, and the previous trend is up and it forms a higher level of that month. So when it is breaks below that level, so we can go for a short on these two stocks that give you such a intraday as well as positional. We can go for an option play or even a future play, or even so we can try in intraday or positional. So let's make the price where this is what the price level. So we'll focus for a tomorrow. And the second one Mindtree. So Mindtree already moving up and up, so there will be chances where it can going to reverse at this point, right? So again, another great candlesticks where we find out by daily candlesticks pattern, right? So you can use option trading also based on this, because it is a positional. If you are holding 2 to 3 days, so it will give you such a great profit using this candlesticks pattern. That always give you such a good result when it forms at highest level. The same one we are going to create a 15 minutes. So that is also I'm going to do it from tomorrow. So here 15 minutes lot of stocks will forms based on this candlestick. And today we find out around 10:15 there is a stock where it is forms Bharati Airtel at 10:15. So this is what intraday time frame. So I'm going to do by tomorrow on my live session. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and you can watch my live videos from tomorrow, and that should be the real time. Bharati Airtel on 15 minutes time frame at the time frame where it is formed by 10:15. So that is the candle where it is forms 10:15. So the great setup. Initially market moves big high and there is a reversal candlesticks pattern which forms at the day high where the market is reversed. How much I'm going to take in a risk, or I'm going to take the short trade at this point, how it is working. So this one I'm going to do it from tomorrow live, so that my target got triggered as I am taking the risk and reward. That was triggered very well at this point. The risk for the trade is somewhere around 4 rupees and it moves towards big almost 8 rupees. That gives you such a nice profit. The same one we are going to use for intraday and any other stock which forms. This one around 11:30 Balakrishna Industries. Let's go for a Balakrishna Industries. 11:30, this may be the time, and that is also working great, right? Perfect. That is also giving you such a great result in Balakrishna Industries. So where you are taking the risk of somewhere around 8-9 rupees, where it is moves towards 30-40 rupees. Okay, I hope this may be also very great video to you all, and because of you are giving you some support, so that one gives me to do a lot of workout. And tomorrow, so we have created a scan and we purchased this software right now. So tomorrow we will go for a live alert will be came without delay, so we will easily find out what are the things which is going to happen. So this is my daily trade setup, and this is daily doji at top bottom, daily doji at top, daily hammer, the shooting star. So we got some two stocks, that is a shooting star, one is Mindtree and MPSS. Let's focus this stock for a tomorrow if any opportunity, so we can make money. Thanks for watching this video and thank you very much. If you are new, subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment on my comment box. Thank you for watching this video and thank you very much.